Hello students, so let's solve one problem from IIT-JAM 2023, and this problem is uh, from modern physics, mainly quantum mechanics, and that is question number 5 in our question series, whatever I have found. So what is this particular problem? So there is a particle which is in a one-dimensional box of width L1, and the mass of particle you can take m, and the particle is in ground state. So the energy of ground state E is given as pi square h cut square upon 2 ml square. And there is another particle which is in another box which width is L2. And this E is equivalent to second excited state. Second excited state of second box. So this is in second excited state. What is meaning of second excited state? So ground state means n is equal to 1. First excited means n is equal to 2. And second excited means n is equal to 3. So this energy is equal to 9, or you can just write 3 square pi square h cut square upon 2m L2 square. Here we will go for L1 square. So what we have to do? We have to calculate L1 by L2. So we can easily calculate L1 by L2 is equal to, we can take it here, that will become there, and all the term parameter will cancel out. And what we will get? L1 by L2 is equal to 1 upon 3. So this will be option. So I think the option number 2 is correct. So option number 2 is correct. So if I am not doing any wrong thing, so the catch is only that what is second excited state? So for the second excited state, n is equal to 3. So a lot of people will do this error that for second state, they can put 2. So this is not the second excited state. Second excited state, n is equal to 3. And we all know that energy for particle in box is given by En is equal to n square pi square h cut square by 2m L square, where L is the length of the width or width of box, and this is infinite box. So this is quite simple problem, straightforward, but yes, catch is there. Second excited state is n is equal to 3. Thank you.